Epoxides. Introductions. Epoxide are cyclic ethers having three membered rings in which oxygen is one of the atoms. They are also known as alkane oxides or oxygenanes. The simplest epoxide is ethylene oxide. In the common system, epoxide are called as alkylene oxides. In the IUPAC system, they are named as alkene oxides, epoxy alkanes, or oxygenanes. The common and IUPAC name of some epoxide are given below for the sake of illustration. The chemical behavior of epoxide is quite different from acyclic ethers. Synthesis of epoxides. First, epoxidation of alkenes. Epoxides are usually prepared by reaction between an alkene and an organic peroxo acid. The reaction is known as epoxidation. Alkene plus peroxy acid in the presence of epoxidation, epoxide is formed. Peroxy acids commonly used in the reaction are peroxyformic acid, peroxyacetic acid, peroxybenzoic acid, and metachloroperoxybenzoic acid. When a solution of peroxy acid and alkene in ether or chloroform is allowed to stand, epoxide is formed. For example, in this reaction, 2,3-dimethyl oxide is formed. Second, cyclohexane plus peroxybenzoic acid gives cyclohexane oxide. It may be noted that epoxidation of alkanes is a stereospecific reaction in which the stereochemistry of the substituents on the double bond is mentioned. Thus, a cis alkane gives a cis epoxide and a trans alkane gives a trans epoxide. The reagent most commonly employed for epoxidation of alkenes these days is magnesium monoperoxy phthalate. Mechanism. The mechanism of epoxidation involves the transfer of an electrophilic oxygen atom from a peroxy acid to alkene as depicted below. Second, from halohydrins. When halohydrins prepared by reaction of aqueous solution of chlorine and bromine with alkanes are treated with a base, HX is eliminated to yield an epoxide. For example, ethylene chlorohydrin plus KOH gives ethylene oxide. Mechanism. The base attacks the halohydrin to abstract the hydrogen from OH part of halohydrin to form an alkoxide ion. The nucleophilic oxygen of the alkoxide ion displaces the halogen from the adjacent carbon to form the epoxide as shown below. It may be seen that the reaction involves intramolecular nucleophilic substitution and is therefore treated as intramolecular Williamson synthesis. It should also be noted that, as in SN2 reactions, the attack of nucleophile takes place from the backside of CX bond. Third, manufacture of ethylene oxide. Ethylene oxide is manufactured by passing a mixture of ethylene and air under pressure over silver catalyst at 475 to 675 Kelvin. Second, chemical reactions of epoxides. In contrast to cyclic ethers, which are chemically quite inert, epoxides show high chemical reactivity. This is due to highly strained nature of three-membered ring system. Ring opening reaction of epoxides in the three-membered ring containing oxygen, the carbon-oxygen carbon bond angle and the carbon carbon oxygen bond angle are nearly 60 degree each. The large distortion from the normal tetrahedral angle of 109.5 degree causes very large strain in the epoxide molecule. As a result, epoxides undergo a number of ring opening reactions quite easily. These reactions take place through the cleavage of one of the carbon-oxygen bonds and may be either catalyzed by acid or brought about by bases or nucleophiles. Acid catalyst ring opening. Just as simple ethers undergo cleavage of the molecule on reaction with acids, epoxide undergo ring cleavage on treatment with acid even under mild conditions. First is acid catalyst hydrolysis. One of the most important cleavage reactions of epoxide is their hydrolysis to form 1,2 glycols. Hydrolysis takes place even in the presence of dilute minerals acid at room temperature. For example, when ethylene oxide plus H2 reacts in the presence of H positive, ethane 1,2 diol is formed. Second is acid catalyst reaction with alcohols. For example, in this reaction 2-ethoxyethanol is formed. Third is reaction with halogen acids. Epoxides react with HCl and HBr to form chloro and bromohydrins. For example, in this reaction, ethylene bromohydrin is formed. Mechanism of acid catalyst ring opening. The mechanism of acid catalyst ring cleavage may be illustrated by considering the hydrolysis of epoxides. In the acid catalyst hydrolysis of epoxide, the epoxide is initially pronated by the acid. The pronated epoxide then undergoes nucleophilic attack SN2 by water to cause ring opening by breaking carbon oxygen bond. The reaction is completed by the loss of proton as depicted below. Nucleophilic ring opening. Unlike simple ethers, which do not undergo ring cleavage by a base or a nucleophile, cleavage of a epoxide ring takes place even by such reagents due to the ring strain in their molecules. For example, when treated with OH ions at high temperature, epoxides ring get cleaved to form 1,2 glycols. When ethylene plus H2 reacts in the presence of OH negative, ethane 1,2 diol is formed. Mechanism of nucleophilic ring opening. The mechanism of nucleophilic ring opening is shown below the help of basic hydrolysis of ethylene epoxide. The strongly nucleophilic hydroxide ion attacks the epoxide and displaces the oxygen atom from one carbon by SN2 reaction. The product thus formed gets protonated to form the glycol is depicted below. Orientation of ring opening. First, anti-addition. The ring opening of epoxide leads to the formation of products corresponding to anti-addition to carbon-carbon double bond. For example, acid catalyst hydrolysis of cyclopentene oxide yields trans 1 to cyclopentene diol. For example, when cyclopentene oxide plus H2 reacts in the presence of H positive, trans 1 to cyclopentane diol is formed. Second is regioselectivity. Unsymmetrical oxygenates can undergo ring opening in two different ways and generally lead to different products in acidic and basic medium. In acidic medium, the nucleophile generally gets attached to the more substituted carbon, while in basic medium, the nucleophile becomes attached to the less substituted carbon. When isobutylene oxide plus CH3OH reacts in the presence of H positive, nucleophile gets attached to more substituted carbon and the major product is formed. Explanation. The difference is regioselectivity in acidic and basic may be justified as follows. In basic medium, the ring opening is an SN2 displacement by the nucleophile on the unprotonated oxygen. As in other SN2 reaction, the attack takes place at the less substituted and less sterically hindered carbon. In acidic medium, the first step is the protonation of oxygen of the oxygen ring due to electron releasing group attached to the more substituted carbon. Positively charged oxygen attracts the electron pair of its bond with the carbon to a greater extent than the electron pair of bond with the less substituted carbon. As a result, the more substituted carbon oxygen bond becomes weaker than the less substituted carbon oxygen bond. Therefore, ring opening takes place preferably at the more substituted carbon oxygen bond and the product contains the nucleophile attached to more substituted carbon. Other nucleophilic ring opening reactions. First, reaction with Grignard reagent or organolithium reagents. Epoxide also undergo nucleophilic ring opening reactions with Grignard reagents and organolithium reagents. The product initially formed on hydrolysis yields a primary alcohol containing large number of carbon atoms. The epoxide generally used in this reaction is ethylene oxide, and the alcohol formed contains two carbon atoms more than in the Grignard reagent. When N-propyl magnesium bromide reacts in the presence of ether and H3O+, one pentanol is formed. When N-butyl lithium reacts in the presence of ether and H3O+, one hexanol is formed. Second is reaction with alcohols. In the presence of CH3O negative Na positive, 2-methoxy 1-ethanol is formed. Reaction with ammonia, 2-amino 1-ethanol is formed. Reaction with hydrogen cyanide, when CH2O CH2 plus HCl reacts in the presence of H2O, ethylene cyanohydrine is formed. And next is reduction with LiAlH4.